In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create or make a game pass on Roblox. First of all, go to Roblox on your website, on your browser. Once it is open, scroll down and click on this continue in browser. And now just close this pop-up window. And now once you reach here, click on this guys create option. Now once you reach here, it will say that it is available on Windows. So guys, click on three dots and choose the desktop side mode. Once you reach here, now since the new update, guys, everything is changed in Roblox, like its interface, its all the features, options list, everything has been changed. So to create a game pass, click on this experience, by default experience. Now once you here guys, now if you click on menu option, you will see different option as compared to before. So just go to click on this associate items. When you click on associate items, now you will see the badges next to it, passes. So you have to click on passes to create a game pass. So you can see I've already created many passes here, so you can click on create a pass. Now upload the image in here, just upload image here, name it and give the description of it and click on create pass. So let's do that. Now once you fill all the details here, just click on this option create a pass. Let's do that. So when you click the create a pass, now it will review your image before setting up. Now since you can see that next to the game pass, newly created game pass, you will see that it is set as off sale. To set up for the sale guys, just click on the game pass again, and now you have to click on this menu option. Now you will see here sale option. Usually we do this thing in the configuration option, but now you have to set it up for sale by using this option. So now once you here guys, just click on this item for sale. Now just enter the price in Robux. So I'm gonna set it for the 20 Robux. Now you will get the 40% of it. Just click on save changes. Now you can set up the stand and please donate for the newly created game pass. So yeah, that's how you can create a game pass or make a game pass on Roblox. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.